Something I really want to key in that you mentioned, Bennett, was the 5-to-1 risk to reward ratio and
Hmm.
understanding that it's not just, okay, I have my entry, I have my stop, and now I'm just going to aim for 5 times whatever I'm risking.
Hmm.
You have to really take it one step above that and really make sure you're looking at the chart and asking yourself, well, is that target even an attainable target, right?
Hmm.
Because just putting it, let's say, you're risking 7% and you're aiming to make 35. It's like, well, what's to tell you it's actually going to make that 35% move
Hmm.
in the swing kind of time frame that you're looking for. So it's really a simple way that I like to look at it, especially if it's not at all-time highs, is
Hmm.
look left, right? Look where the chart has been before, find those previous areas of resistance, because usually at those previous areas of resistance, you can expect some resistance again.
Hmm.
So that's where it makes a lot more sense, and it can help solidify whether a trade is worth taking or not, right?
Hmm.
Because if you have an entry and you have your stop and then you see where the 5-to-1 or 3-to-1 target is, and you can tell that it doesn't really make sense or doesn't seem attainable, you're probably better off passing on the trade, which will in turn help you kind of build that discipline of passing on non-A plus trades. Sometimes it's a B plus or an A, which can be good, but most of the time not good enough, right? So
Hmm.
you're probably better off staying in cash, waiting for those real A plus setups where you have that attainable 5-to-1 target and then strike.
Hmm. 100%.